Got a cell phone, I'm starting to worry. Things are getting hairy, things are getting furry. He's calling somebody, well I don't know who. Maybe it's the dog catcher, maybe it's you. But my cat got a cell phone, talking on the day and night. That ain't right. I'm starting to shake, beginning to shiver. Anchovy pizzas keep getting delivered. His friends got my number, well I don't know how, but when I check my messages I only hear meow. Cause my cat got a cell phone, talking all the night and day. My cat got a cell phone, and buddy, that ain't the way. Some call him Puff, and some call him Tabby, some call him Mr. Boots. Me, I just call him Gabby. But whatever you call him, well, it'll be alright. But if you call him my house, don't call him in the middle of the night, because my cat got a cell phone, talking all the night and day. Buddy, I say, buddy, I want you to know, buddy, that ain't the way. Thank you, blues lovers.